Filipino subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are words that connect independent clauses to dependent clauses. They show relationships between ideas such as cause and effect, time, place, condition, and contrast. Here are some common Filipino subordinating conjunctions. The first one is we have dahil, which translates to because in English. It is used to express a reason or cause. The second one is kung or if in English is used to express a condition. The third one is habang, which translates to while in English and is used to express simultaneous actions. Bagamat, although in English and is used to express contrast or concession. Upang is in order to in English and is used to express purpose, and hanggat is as long as in English and is used to express a condition. Here are some sample sentences for the conjunction dahil or because in English. Dahil umuulan, hindi kami pupunta sa parke. Because it's raining, we won't go to the park. Dahil umuulan, hindi kami pupunta sa parke. Dahil late na siya, hindi na siya nakapasok sa klase. Because he or she was late, he or she couldn't attend class. Dahil late na siya, hindi na siya nakapasok sa klase. Dahil masakit ang ulo ko, hindi ako makakapagtrabaho. Because my head hurts, I can't work. Dahil masakit ang ulo ko, hindi ako makakapagtrabaho. Dahil mahal kita, gagawin ko ang lahat para sa'yo. Because I love you, I will do everything for you. Dahil mahal kita, gagawin ko ang lahat para sa'yo. Dahil madilim na, uuwi na kami. Because it's dark, we will go home. Dahil madilim na, uuwi na kami. Another one is kung or if in English. Kung mag-aaral ka ng mabuti, tataas ang iyong mga grado. If you study hard, your grades will improve. Kung mag-aaral ka ng mabuti, tataas ang iyong mga grado. Kung hindi ka magmadali, hindi ka mahuhuli. If you don't hurry, you won't be late. Kung hindi ka magmadali, hindi ka mahuhuli. Kung may pera ka, pwede kang bumili ng bagong sapatos. If you have money, you can buy new shoes. Kung may pera ka, pwede kang bumili ng bagong sapatos. Kung makuha ko ang trabahong ito, bibili ako ng bagong kotse. If I get this job, I will buy a new car. Kung makuha ko ang trabahong ito, bibili ako ng bagong kotse. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng bakasyon, pupunta tayo sa beach. If we have a vacation, we will go to the beach. Kung magkakaroon tayo ng bakasyon, pupunta tayo sa beach. The third one is habang or while in English. Habang nagluluto siya, kumakain ako. While she is cooking, I am eating. So, it can be he or she. Siya. Habang nagluluto siya, kumakain ako. Habang naglalakad ako sa parke, nakita ko siya. While I was walking in the park, I saw her or him. Habang naglalakad ako sa parke, nakita ko siya. Habang nanonood ng TV, nakatulog siya. While watching TV, he or she fell asleep. Habang nanonood ng TV, nakatulog siya. Habang nag-aaral siya, may tumatawag sa telepono. So while he or she was studying, the phone is ringing or someone is calling on the phone. Habang nag-aaral siya, may tumatawag sa telepono. Habang naglalaro kami ng basketball, umuulan. While we were playing basketball, it rained. Habang naglalaro kami ng basketball, umuulan. The fourth one is bagamat or although in English. Bagamat maulan, pumunta pa rin kami sa beach. Although it's raining, we still went to the beach. Bagamat maulan, pumunta pa rin kami sa beach. Bagamat pagod na siya, nagpatuloy pa rin siya sa pagtatrabaho. Although he or she was tired, he or she continued working. Bagamat pagod na siya, nagpatuloy pa rin siya sa pagtatrabaho. Bagamat mahirap, hindi siya sumuko. Although it was difficult, he or she didn't give up. Bagamat mahirap, hindi siya sumuko. Bagamat may sakit siya, pumunta pa rin siya sa trabaho. Although he or she was sick, he or she still went to work. Bagamat may sakit siya, pumunta pa rin siya sa trabaho. Bagamat mayaman siya, hindi siya mayabang. Although he or she is rich, he or she is not arrogant. Bagamat mayaman siya, hindi siya mayabang. The fifth one is upang or in order to in English. Upang magkaroon ng maayos na buhay, kailangan natin magtrabaho ng mabuti. In order to have a good life, we need to work hard. Upang magkaroon ng maayos na buhay, kailangan natin magtrabaho ng mabuti. Upang makapasok sa universidad, kailangan niyang mag-aral. In order to get into university, he or she needs to study hard. Upang makapasok sa universidad, kailangan niyang mag-aral. Upang maging malusog, kumain ng mga masustansyang pagkain. In order to be healthy, you need to eat nutritious food. Upang maging malusog, kumain ng masustansyang pagkain. Upang maging matagumpay, kailangang magkaroon ng disiplina. In order to be successful, you need to have discipline. Upang maging matagumpay, kailangang magkaroon ng disiplina. Upang maging masaya, kailangan nating pahalagahan ang mga relasyon natin sa iba. In order to be happy, we need to value our relationships with others. Upang maging masaya, kailangan nating pahalagahan ang mga relasyon natin sa iba. The sixth one is hanggat or as long as in English. Hanggat may buhay, may pag-asa. As long as there is life, there is hope. Habang may buhay, may pag-asa. Hanggat hindi pa siya nakakain, hindi siya matutulog. As long as he or she hasn't eaten, he or she won't sleep. Hanggat hindi pa siya nakakain, hindi siya matutulog. Hanggat hindi mo ako niloloko, mananatili akong kaibigan mo. So as long as you don't lie to me, I will remain your friend. Hanggat hindi mo ako niloloko, mananatili akong kaibigan mo. Hanggat may panahon, maglalakbay tayo. As long as we have time, we will travel. Habang may panahon, maglalakbay tayo. Hanggat hindi pa siya nakakapagpahinga, hindi siya magiging masaya. As long as he or she hasn't rested, he or she won't be happy. Hanggat hindi pa siya nakakapagpahinga, hindi siya magiging masaya. And that is all about our Filipino subordinating conjunctions. Maraming salamat for watching this video and see you in the next one. Bye!